Still on top the operation Keep Egor Clean, the road makers wey the Chairmo of Egor local government Eghe Ogbemudia inaugurate don't begin to do their work as them carry waka enter Egor market to start their cleaning exercise. Them can also clean the major roads, clear bush wey dey road and also park and carry the dirty wey dey around the market as motor dey on ground to carry the dirty go throw away. Priscilla Enerime, Elijah Hussaina and other road makers wey talk to Tori people come talk say belle sweet them wella for the work wey them dey do and say na Baba God go bless Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for opportunity wey she give them to work for the local government.
I want to use this opportunity to thank our Madam Eghe Ogbemudia. She really dey try for us. Even this idea to bring this road maker, she tried to help us. So like some people wey no get work now, opportunity for them to get work, and some people wey dey lowly for us, opportunity to them to come out and make exercise. This road maker wey she bring come out, I love her so much because before I just dey house doing nothing, but it make me feel happy to help her to with doing the work. She even follow us, no mistake, no fighting, no quarrel. So I love her so much. She gets better action. Even food she give us, even give us transport. I love her so much. She don't like dirty. That's why she make everywhere clean. She cleaning Egor, all the old Egor inside the gutter. He tell us to maintain her. She follow us to maintain Egor. So I love her action well. Before, if you reach Egor, now say everybody go there, but today now, everywhere they clean. It's a action mama. I love her so much.
We thank our honorable chairman, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, who take give us opportunity, most city help and clean up Egor local government. So we don't start the exercise today, making it 1 month now. We don't do the exercise. So if you go around Egor now, you go see and say Egor does see clean, past the way it be before. So I thank God we give us the opportunity as a road maker, most city assist. Play our part in cleaning the local government. We're really happy for her encouragement, the way she encourage us all through the exercise. She always there by us to encourage us to make sure say the work go on. So we really appreciate her.
I thank the Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for the job well done. You have done marvelous things. The things that the father did long ago, you have brought it back. Most of the local government chairman abandoned it. He brought it to this light and start cleaning the Egor. Today, as if you are still watching, is following us to anywhere we go, and we walk majestically and let the place clean. And I love her because it's a lion, have a lion heart. Anything you want to bulldoze, you will bulldoze it. For that simple reason, people are commending her for the good job she has been doing. And if you look Egor Metropolis now, everywhere is clean, and we are very happy.
Making no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.